13513 west to clear Pittsburgh.
What's up, rail fans? It's Jordy B. Watching Trains, your favorite filmer's favorite rail fan. We came all the way to Columbus, Ohio just to watch trains. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, rail fans, so we came to a spot in Columbus. We're on East Weber Road. We're on Norfolk Southern's Dayton District and CSX's Columbus line. They parallel each other. Look, check it out. Alright, rail fans, so all the signals are red. I don't see anything yet, so let's wait out and see what happens. Because it's two mainlands, there gotta be something coming soon, right? Alright, rail fans, we gotta approach. Alright, rail fans, that was kind of cool. Grain train on Norfolk Southern's Dayton District. So let's go see what else we can find out here in Columbus. I'm like looking on the map. It's kind of hard. It seems like every track down here is elevated. So let's see what else we can find in Columbus. Alright, rail fans, so we came to downtown Columbus. I wanted to come out and check this out. I was looking on my maps and I found this. I was like, oh wow, that's pretty cool. But we're still in Norfolk Southern's Dayton District. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. It'd be pretty cool if I get a train coming through there. What do y'all think? Alright, rail fans, so I guess it's our lucky day. We got a green signal for a train coming, so let's check it out. Wow, rail fans, that was our NS 179. I believe that goes from Buffalo, New York to Birmingham, Alabama, but he had to be at least 16,000 feet. I think my camera was rolling for probably about 9 minutes. But I heard the dispatcher say a train was holding for 179. That was the 179. So I'm gonna do some research because we might get another one, so I'm gonna check it out. Alright, rail fans, I was about to leave, but at CP 138, there is another train coming, so let's go check it out. And like I said, we're in downtown Columbus, so I believe this is Macaroni Square. Alright, rail fans, here it comes. You know what, rail fans? That looks like that grain train we saw in the first clip when we were at East Weber Road. Is this the same grain train? Let me know in the comments, is it? Wow, rail fans, empty grain train. I didn't get his symbol, but I don't think that was the same grain train because I don't think I remember that UP trailing. So let's go see what else we can get out here in Columbus. I'm trying to go see some CSX. I feel like I saw enough Norfolk Southern, so let's go check it out. Alright, rail fans, so we came to the Valley Crossing. So I believe this is Norfolk Southern's Columbus District. And this is CSX over here. Alright, Columbus District. And it's CSX line. Alright, my Columbus rail fans, if you're familiar with the CSX line that goes through the Valley Crossing, what line is that? Drop it below. Okay, we got a yard on Norfolk Southern and it looks like they got an intermodal facility, so let's go see what else we can get out here in Columbus. Alright, rail fans, so we made it over to West Moeller Street, where I believe we're in a brewery district in Columbus. So this is Norfolk Southern's Western Branch. And this is CSX's Columbus sub, so let's see what happens. And our signal's lit up on Norfolk Southern for an approach, so let's see what happens. I want to see some CSX because I've been down here all this time. I still haven't saw any CSX, so let's check it out. And you know what, rail fans? I was looking too on the CSX track. The track is full of corn. Look at all this. Can y'all see this? Look like the train came through and forgot his popcorn kernels. Alright, rail fans, so I've been here for about an hour. And on Norfolk Southern, what is it, the Westland branch? Another approach signal lit up. Are we about to get 2 for the price of 1 or no? Because look. Cause you see how the one on the left is approach and the one on the right is approach? Alright, cause there's 2 approaches, so maybe we'll get like 3 for the price of 1 because there's a CSX Columbus sub, then we got the 2 approaches on Norfolk Southern, so maybe we might get a party. I don't know, let's see. Alright, rail fans, we got a CSX with a YN2 lead. Let's check it out. Alright, rail fans, our CSX YN2 on our empty coal train. I believe that's going to Charleston, West Virginia. Or towards that way. If you know, drop a comment below. Because I know Charleston, the Kahnawa River sub, comes up here somewhere. But I don't know how, but it comes up here. Yeah, because I feel like most of our coal comes from West Virginia. So I feel like that's going back to get loaded. So, let's wait for Norfolk Southern somewhere. Like I said, we got 2 approaches. So let's wait out and see what happens. Alright, rail fans, I get it now. Because when I came, the signal was red. Then I went to approach. I'm like, oh, that must mean there's 2 trains coming. Then I thought, I forgot my my train knowledge in the back of my head. Like, there's not 2 trains coming. The train's on our approach lit. When the signal was red, there was a train in the block. Alright, let's go see what else we can get. Because I don't know if there's anything coming. But I do want to go see Kahnawa River. They're down here somewhere, so let's go check that out. Alright, rail fans, so we came to check out the Kahnawa River. I didn't know they came all the way up here. Because I remember seeing them in Charleston. I didn't know they came all the way to Columbus. But this is it. Alright, so this is like only one of the spots I saw that was accessible. So I know they got like a little yard down there. So let's go see if we can go get to it. Wow, rail fans, so I came down here where I told you I was gonna come. So they got a really nice grain elevator with a little switcher. Looks like one of those, what is it, like a SW1 switcher? Let's look, check it out. Yeah, and we got a Norfolk Southern down there too. But I don't know why, but I love grain elevators. Like, look at this. Just look at this, what is this? This amazing architecture of this building. I'm gonna take a picture of it and set it as my background on my computer. Alright, well that's it. I don't see any action on the Kahnawa River Railroad or the grain elevator. So, let's see what else we can get out here in Columbus. Alright, rail fans, so we came over to Cook Road in Columbus. I heard this is a hot spot for rail fans, so we got a manifest stop here now, so let's see what happens. Alright, rail fans, so this is Norfolk Southern Sandusky District, and this is CSX Columbus Line Sub. Yeah, CSX is Columbus Line Sub. I'm just confused about the line and the sub in the same word. But, alright, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, and we got a green signal for something coming next to this manifest, so something's about to fly down through here, so let's check it out. Alright, bro fans, whatever it is, I see the headlight, let's check it out. Wow, rail fans, another empty grain train. Why didn't y'all tell me Columbus is like the hub of empty grain trains? I think that's what, the third or fourth one we saw today? Alright, rail fans, so our grain train went past, the signal turned yellow after it cleared. Now it turned red again, so that means we got a train in a block and it's going that way. So let's check it out. Alright, rail fans, here comes our train. Wow, rail fans, how about that? Norfolk Southern SD70 ACE. I was about to say, I haven't seen EMD power all day, but I rode over a bridge and it had a couple CSX Jeeps underneath it. But that's it for me. Thanks for coming to Columbus, Ohio with me just to watch trains. I didn't really like the track layout here. It was hard to navigate, and I feel like everything, all the good spots are elevated. So that's it for me. Thanks for coming to Columbus, Ohio with me just to watch trains. It's Jody be watching trains. I'm out.